22. When the Shah saw Salaman's face again, and breathed the breath of reconciliation, he laid the hand of love upon his shoulder, a kiss of welcome on his cheek, and said, O thou who lost love's banquet, lost its salt, and mankind's eye its pupil, thy return is as another sun to heaven, a new rose blooming in the garden of the soul. Arise, O moon majesty, unwound. The court of the horizon is thy court. Thy kingdom is the kingdom of the world. Lo, throne and crown await thee, throne and crown, without thy impress, but uncurrent gold, not to be stamped by one not worthy them. Behold, the rebel's face is at thy door. Let him not triumph, let the wicked dread. The throne under thy feet, the crown upon thy head, O spurn them not behind thee, O my son, wipe thou the woman's henna from thy hand. Withdraw thee from the minion who from thee dominion draws. The time is come to choose thy mistress or the world, to hold or lose. And like a boomerang, sort of, is the stick. Is that a stick or is it a piece of metal for cutting the wheat? Either way, he's knocking down the fields of the grain of some sort, probably. Village in the background, but they're way off. He's way off in the fields, clouds and plants and all that around. But falcifer, false fur, is definitely a role that people can take on. 4 are the signs of kingly aptitude: wise head, clean heart, strong arm, and open hand. Wise is he not. Continent cannot be, who binds himself to an unworthy lust, nor valiant, who submits to a weak woman, nor liberal, who cannot draw his hand from that in which so basely he is busied. And of these 4, who misses all are one, is not the bridegroom of dominion. And well, people are all wrapped up in one thing or another, right? But it's not about being a giver or whatever. It's the ability to control your response.